think about this. If I'm a little kid and I want to get on the swing, so I go up to this guy, I don't want to wait in line, so I push him aside, I cut in line, I get on the swing, and all of a sudden the teacher comes over because someone said, okay, cut in front of me. Teacher comes over and says, you, get off the swing, get on the wall. So I go on the wall, and I'm sitting on the wall going, oh, but I still got on the swing, didn't I? I still got on the swing. So now I do some time on the wall, but unless somebody tells me, hey, listen, when you go out for recess, you survey the playground. You don't want to wait in a long line, play with something else. But if you cut in front of people, you will not be able to use the swings for the next 5 days. So now, but you said, I should survey the line. I should look to see if there's a long line. I should pick a different line. I should learn how to do that. But if you just put me on the wall and have me do some time and then say, okay, get off the wall, you've done your time, now don't do that again. You're like, okay, but how do I get on the swing? Oh, well, that worked. Get on the swing, get kicked off, get the wall. These kids, I know kids who go outside and just stand on the wall because they got no skill, so they figure they might as well just go there. They're going to end up there anyway. Like, what are you doing? I'm going to the wall. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.